student, and today we are going to discuss chapter 12 exponent and power. Exercise 12.1, question number 1, first part is given here. You can see you will evaluate 3 power minus 2. So we know that the law of exponent is that if a to the power minus m, then you can write it 1 by a to the power m. So according to this law of exponents, we also can write 1 by 3 power 2. 3 power 2 means what? It means that 3 multiplied 2 times itself. So we can write it 3 into 3, 2 times 3 into 3, because you can see here 3 power 2. So 3 power 2 means 3 multiplied 2 times itself. Here now this is equal to 1 by 9. The second part of this question number 1 is that minus 4 whole power minus 2. Okay, this is given. Second part, minus 4 whole power minus 2. We need to evaluate it. For this, according to this law of exponent, we can first write it 1 by minus 4 to the power, this becomes 2. Here you can see this is minus 4 and the power is 2. 2 is even number. If power is even number of any minus negative quantity, then it's become automatically positive. So also you can write it like this, power 2. So 1 upon 4 power 2, it means that what? 1 upon 4 power 2, it means that 1 by 4 into 4. So you can write here 1 by 4 into 4. 4 into 4 you know very well, 16. This is equal to 16. So you can evaluate minus 4 power minus 2. And this is equal to 1 by 16. Clear? So student, I hope all of understood this both part of question number 1, and the last part is the third part of question number that 1 is that this is third part of this question number 1. 1 by 2 whole power minus 5. 1 by 2 whole power minus 5. If you remember, in previous video I discussed the law of exponents. In this video, I hope all of you saw this. And a by b power minus m. So you can write it in positive exponent b by a. This is whole power m. Then you can see a by b power is minus m, but when you write its reciprocal, b by a power is plus. Okay, so you apply same law of this given problem. So this is 1 by 2 whole power minus 5. We apply here, you know, a by b whole power minus m is equal to b by a whole power plus m. Okay, so also we can write it 2 by 1 whole power 5. Clear? And also if this is given b by a whole power m, so you can write it a to the power m and b to the power m. Okay, so here a by b, so you can write it 2 to the power 5 by 1 to the power 5. Clear? So 1 to the power 5 means 1 multiplied by 5 times itself, 1 into 1 into 1 into 1 into 1. This is equal to 1 into 1 1, 1 into 1 1, 1 into 1 1, 1 into 1 1. This is equal to 1. Clear? Now if we are talking about the 2 power 5, so 2 power 5 means you can multiply 2 5 times itself. So you can write it 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 5 times. Okay, and so 2 into 2 4, 4 into 2 8, 8 into 2 16, 16 into 2 32. So here you can see the value of 2 power 5 to the power 5 is 32, and the value of 8 to the power 1 is 1. 1 to the power 5 is 1. So you can see you have 32, and your question is 1 by 2 whole power minus 5. This gives 32. So in this way you complete the question number 1 of this exercise 12.1. Now we are going to discuss second question of this exercise. Question second have simplify and express the result in power notation with positive exponent. Okay, so first is simplify. After this, if its power is negative, then write in positive. Okay, with the help of the given law of exponents. Clear? Now, so next question is second question. In second question, we first simplify. After this, we change it in positive notation. So this is given second question, first part. Minus 4 whole power 5 divided by minus 4 whole power 8. This is given minus 4 whole power 5 divided by minus 4 whole power 8. Minus 4 whole power 8. So this is a case of division, and you can see here base are same. Base are same, and the case of division. Okay, so I hope all of you remember that if base are same, case of division, then you subtract their powers. Okay, so you know very well this question. A to the power m divided by a to the power n. This represents a to the power m minus n. Clear? Here a to the power m divided by a to the power n. This gives a to the power m minus n. This is clear? Now, so according to this law of exponents, we use here, and you can write this minus 4 to the power 5. This is case of division, minus 8. Okay, so it's becomes what? This becomes nothing but, you can say, minus 4. If you subtract 8 from 5, then we obtain minus 3. This is equal to minus 3. Okay, but in this question it told us that express, we simplify it and express the result in power notation with positive exponent. But here you can see this is negative exponent. So for this, how can we express with positive exponent? You know very well this exponents of law. If a to the power minus m, then you can write 1 by a to the power plus m. This is a negative exponent here, you can see, but here this is positive exponent. So you can write this 1 by minus 4 power 3. This is clear? This is given question, minus 4 whole power 5 divided by minus 4 whole power 8. We use this law of exponents. If the case of division and base are same, then their power is subtracted. So a to the power m divided by a to the power n, this is equal to a to the power m minus n. Okay, so similarly you can write here minus 4 to the power 5 divided by minus 4 to the power 8. So you can write it minus 4 to the power 5 minus 8. 5 minus 8 is minus 3. So you have to minus 4 to the power minus 3. But here we expressed it in positive exponent. So you can write, you can take help in this law. A to the power minus m is equal to 1 upon m, a to the power m. So also you can express it 1 upon minus 4 to the power 3. Clear? Now we are going to discuss next part of this question number 2. What is the next part of this question number 2? Next part of question number 2 is the second part, and the second part is given here. 1 by 2 to the power 3, this is given 1 by 2 to the power 3 whole power 2. This is given 1 by 2 to the power 3 . So 1 by 2 to the power 3 whole power 2, this is given. So I hope all of you remember this question. If any given like that, a by b whole power, a simple example like this, a to the power m whole power n, then you can write it a to the power m into a. This is clear. So use this law of exponents and solve these questions. Okay. So for this becomes, and you also know that 8 by b whole power m, then you can write a to the power m by b to the power m. Okay. When you open this bracket, then you obtain 1 to the power 2 and 2 power 3 whole power 2. Okay. Now, so here 1 to the power 2 means 2. 1 to the power 2 means 1. So you can write here 1. Again, 2 power 3 whole power 3. Then you apply this law of exponent, a to the power m whole power n. This multiply by a power m into n. Okay. So you can write here 2 power 2 into 3. So this is equal to what? Nothing but 1 by 2 power 6. This is equal to 1 by 2 power 6. So student, I hope all of you understood these questions. Now we are going to discuss third part of this question 2. What is the third part? Third question, minus 3, this is third part, minus 3 whole power 4 into 5 by 3 whole power 4. 5 by 3 whole power 4. Okay, this is clear. Now, so you know very well this law exponent a by b whole power m, this is equal to a to the power m by b to the power m. This is clear. Now, so minus 3 power 4, here you can see minus 3 power 4 is, it's become plus 4 plus 3, because you can see if the power is even, here power is even, then this becomes positive. Okay, so you can write it 3 power 4 again into 5 power 4, it become 5 power 4 according to this law of exponents, and 3 power 4. Here you can see according to this law of exponents, if a by b power whole power m, then you can write a power m by b power m. Clear? So 3 power 4 into 5 power 4 by 3 power 4. So you can cancel. You can see here, you can write it like this, 3 power 4 into 5 power 4 by 3 power 4. You can see here, this is the case of division. So their power will be subtracted. So you can write like this, 3 power 4 minus 4 into 5 power 4. 3 power 4 minus 4, this is equal to 0. So you can say this is equal to 3 power is 0, okay, into 5 power 4. If any power is 0, you can say this is equal to 1. 3 power 0, this is equal to 1 into 5 power 4, this is equal to 5 power 4. Clear? Now, so you can see here the value of this problem is 5 power 4. Now, we are going to discuss next part. Next part is sixth part of this question number 2. This is the fourth part. Fourth part is given here 3 power minus 7 divided by 3 power minus 10. 3 power minus 7 divided by 3 power minus 10, okay, into 3 power minus 5. 3 power minus 5. Clear? Now, so you can see first this is a case of division. It means that you know very well, if a power m divided by a power n, this is equal to a to the power m minus n. Okay, so according to this law of exponent, you can write here 3 power minus 7 minus 3 power minus 10 into 3 power minus 5. So this is equal to 3 power minus 7 minus this becomes plus 10 into 3 power minus 5. Clear? Now, so this is nothing but 3 power plus 3. Okay, if you subtract 7 from 10, then you obtain 3 minus 7 plus 10. How you got plus 10? Because you can see here, according to this rule, we obtain m minus n. So here this is m, and but this is always minus, always negative. So we bracket minus 10 minus 7 minus 10. So minus it becomes plus. Clear? So we have 3 to the power minus 7 plus 10. 3 to the power minus 7 plus 10. This is equal to what? This is equal to 3. So and here this is into 3 power minus 5. Okay. So you use here which rules? A to the power m into a to the power n. This is equal to a to the power m plus n. If base have same and the case of multiplication, then their power will be 8. Okay, so here you can see base are same and the case of multiplication, then their power will be 8. So this is equal to nothing but 3 power 3 plus minus 5. Okay, so here you can see plus into minus, it's become minus. So you can write here 3 power 3 minus 5. This is equal to nothing but, you can say this is equal to 3 power minus 2. If you subtract 5 from 3, then you obtain minus 2. Here we express it, but we need to write it in a power notation with the positive exponent. Okay, so here we use this law of exponent. If a to the power minus m, you can write it 1 by 8 power plus m. Okay, so we can write here 1 by 3 power 2. This is clear? So I hope all of you understood these questions. Now the next part of this question is that 2 power minus 3 into minus 7 power minus 3. Let's see how to solve these questions. Fifth part of this question is that question number 2, 2 to the power minus 3 into minus 7 to the power minus 3, minus 7 to the power minus 3. I hope you remember this law of exponents. A to the power m into b to the power m, this is equal to a into b whole power m. Okay, so we use this law of exponent and apply on this question, and we try to solve these questions. Okay, so we can write this according to this law of exponents. 2 into minus 7 whole power minus 3, or you can write it, this is equal to 2 into 14, 7 is equal to minus 14 power minus 3. Okay, or here we simplify it, but we express the result in power notation with positive exponent. So we use this law of exponent. A power minus m is equal to 1 upon a power plus m. Clear? So you can write it 1 by minus 14 to the power 3. This is clear. So student, I hope all of understood this question second. Now we are going to discuss question third. What is question third? Find the value of. So let's see how to find the value of given problem. First part of this question number third is that 3 power 0, 4 power minus 1, 3 power 0 plus 4 power minus 1 into 2 power 2. 3 power 0 plus 4 power minus 1 into 2 power 2. You can see. So if any numbers have power 0, its value is 1. So it's become 1. 3 power 0 means 1. Okay. And if you know that a power m, a power minus m is equal to, we write it a power 1 upon m. So it's become 1 by 4. Clear? Now 2 into power 2. 2 power 2 means you can write it 2 times. 2 power 2 means 2 into 2. This is equal to 4. Here you write 4. Okay. Now we take LCM. 1 plus 1 upon 4. So LCM is 4. Okay. So it's become 4 plus 1 into 4. So 4 plus 1 is 5. 5 by 4 into 4. So 4 cancel. We obtain here 5. Clear? We obtain here 5. Now the second part of this question. I hope all of understood this question. 3 power 0 is 1. 4 power minus 1 is, you can write it 1 upon 4. 2 power 2 is 4. Take LCM. It becomes 4 plus 1 by 4. And 2 into, you write 4 as it is. 4 plus 1 is become 5 by 4. And you write 4 as it is into. And you can cancel it 4 by 4. And we obtain 5. Now second part of this question. What is the second part of this question? 2 power minus 1, 4 power minus 1, 2 power minus 1 into 4 power minus 1 divided by 2 power minus 2. 2 power minus So 2 power minus 1, you can write it 1 by 2, because you know very well, according to this law of exponent, a to the power minus m, this is equal to 1 upon a to the power m. Clear? So here, or you can say if a to the power minus 1, this is equal to 1 upon a. Okay? So you write here 1 by 2, because here you can see 2 power minus 1 into 1 is 4 power minus 1, this becomes 1 by 4. Clear? Now, this is the case of division. So you can write it in the case of multiplication, and this becomes plus 2. Clear? This is clear. And now 1 into 1, this is equal to 1, and 2 into 4, this is equal to 8 into 2 power 2, 2 power 2, this is equal to 4. So you can cancel this, 4 2 is 8. So you obtain here 2. Clear? 2 power minus 1, this is equal to 1 by 2 into 1 power minus 4. Sorry, 4 power minus 1, this is equal to 1 by 4. Here you can see this is a case of division. When you change in multiplication, then you write this reciprocals. Okay? You can see here, if you have a by b divided by c by d, so you can write it a by b into, and write this reciprocal d by c. Clear? So according to this rule, we applied here, and you write this division replaced by multiplication, and here it becomes positive. Okay. Now the third part of this question is that what is the third part? Third part of this question is that 1 by 2 whole power minus 2, 1 by 2 whole power minus 2 into 1 by 3 whole power again minus 2. Sorry, this is plus, not into. Clear? And 1 by plus 1 by 4 whole power minus 2. And clear? So you know very well, if a by b whole power minus m, you can write it b by a whole power plus m. Okay? So apply this law. According to this law, you can write it's become 2 by 1 whole power nothing but 2 plus 3 by 1 whole power 2 plus 4 by 1 whole power 2. This is clear now. And one you know also very well, a by b whole power m, then you can write a to the power m by b to the power m. Okay? So also you can write here 2 power 2 by 1 power 2 plus 3 power 2 by 1 power 2 plus 4 power 2 by 1 power 2. So clear? So 2 power 2 it's become 4, 1 power 2 is become 1, plus 3 power 2 is become 9, 1 power 2 is becomes 1, and 4 power 2 it becomes 16. 16 and 1 power 2 it becomes 1. This is clear now. So 4 by 1, this is equal to 4. 4 by 1, this is equal to 4. 9 by 1, this is equal to 9, plus 16 by 1, this is equal to 16. Clear? Now, if you add them, then you obtain 29. Clear? The value of the given question is 29. Okay? And so this is given, you can see 1 by 2 whole power minus 2, you can write it 2 by 1 whole power 2 plus 1 by 3 whole power minus 2. Also you can write 3 by 1 whole power 2, and this is given 1 by 4 whole power minus 2. So it becomes 4 by 1 whole power 2. So square of 2 is 4, square of 3 is 9, square of 4 is 16, and 4 by 1 is equal to 4, 9 by 1 is equal to 9, and 16 by 1 is equal to 16. So you can plus them, add them. 4 plus 9 plus 16, this is equal to 29. Okay, so student, I hope all of you understood this question, and thank you for watching. Jai Hind.